Have you ever been in the DC area and thought, I'd love to go see a show, but how do I find one at the last minute? And how do I find some good deals? TodayTix is an easy-to-use app that lets you search by location, date, and quickly and easily find deals, different plays, what is out there. It's very easy to find the seats, book the tickets, and I highly recommend it. I used it recently to find some tickets for Damn Yankees. Here are an example of how you could find tickets. Use that as well. In addition, at the end of this video, we have a few screenshots of how the actual experience went. I hope you find this easy to use and are able to find some great deals for you and your family. Here on the screen, you can see the different dates, the different amounts. You can quickly pick one. It'll find the best seats, show you where the seats are available. You can then pick which ones you would like to purchase if you want to take a closer look as well. If this is what you want, it's easy to go to the checkout and buy them. If you're like, I want to see what some of the other shows are, what's available, here is a Cirque du Soleil. You can look at that, find trailers. They're showing a little bit of the video. You can easily go backwards in the app as well.